Guys, we found the last tessellations. All of the 17 complete. Just right there. 17. There are 17 different types of tessellations in this palace. And we found all of them. He was right all along.
You're probably wondering how we got here. Should we start from the beginning?
And now, when we finish the Cayley table, we can clearly see that what we have here is the... Come on, you guys. What's up with you?
It's too theoretical. Who cares?
Who cares? We care.
Are there maybe any practical approaches, a reason we're doing all of this?
Wait a second, give me a moment. Got it. The Alhambra.
Why?
We are going to the Alhambra. The Alhambra is a palace that was built between the 10th and the 12th century in the south of Spain in Granada.
Okay, what does that have to do with tessellations or anything we're doing?
Oh, come on, shush, we're getting there.
So we have a tessellation here, and for this classification, we're not going to take color into account. So the first thing we do is figure out which image repeats itself throughout the whole tessellation. As we can see, there are these sort of leaf-shaped patterns. They go this way, up and down. And therefore, one image is going to basically account for all 4 of these sort of in this square shape. And this would be the image we'll take, which repeats itself throughout the tessellation.
And then we're going to be finding the rotation order, so by what it rotates. And here we can clearly see that it's kind of a square, but however, we know that the shapes are pointing on different directions, so we need to take that into account as well. So then we come into a conclusion that 180-degree rotation is the correct rotation order, which means the rotation order is 2.
The next thing we would have to do is figure out if there are any mirror lines, and if we just look at this whole tessellation, not only the specific image, but the whole thing, then we can clearly see that the mirror line goes sort of across these black sort of leaves, and this would be our mirror line. So this tessellation does have reflection.
Once we're done with the reflection, we check for glide reflections, which means we need to see if it has a reflection even after moving. So this is the original shape, and we can see that the distance we have is the whole distance basically, and we have to find out a distance which is lesser than this distance where it still reflects the same way it is. And as we can clearly see, it does have a glide reflection too.
And lastly, what we have to do is figure out if the rotation centers are on the mirror lines. So these would be the mirror lines, also one here. And then we know if we rotate this image on this point, which is on the mirror line, we will get the same tessellation, or not the same image again. So therefore, the rotation centers are on the mirror lines. And because of this, we classified this tessellation as CMM. So yeah.
Welcome to our airport vlog for our Granada math day trip. Today I will be trying Happy Cherry Haraboga.
So how does it feel to be the nerd of the trip?
I can't believe I'm getting bullied by my teacher.
For doing schoolwork. Click. We're going over there. That over there. That over there. Why are we all standing here and doing it? Really excited. So it's gonna be good. I'm also really hungry. I'm also I'm so starving.
Over there.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my Math 8 vlog, and today I'm with my class. Say hello everybody.
Hi.
There's only one person in my Math 8 class, guys. So, what are we doing in the Alhambra today?
We're going to be looking at tessellations and we're going to be trying to classify them.
And how many tessellations are we looking for?
17.
All 8 of us will be working together to find the tessellations. 5 of us are going to be here on site taking pictures, while 3 of us will be working together back home. And they're going to be doing all the hard work, basically, and all the calculations. And together, we're going to work as a team and find all 17 of the tessellations.
Samia, I just sent you 3 on Teams, and then Sai, and then Lisa. Last 4 for now, but there are more coming, a lot coming.
Oh, wow! These are one of the easier tessellations, being that color doesn't really matter when considering the symmetry. And they also have multiple degrees of rotation and around 4 different planes in which to consider.
Yeah, I really like the 3D structures, you know?
Oh my god, this room looks absolutely wonderful. Do you guys see this? The roof, the windows, the tessellations.
Makes you feel quite small standing over here. While it may look like we're all just on our phones scrolling, we're actually all working as a team in order to make sure that we can find every single one of the tessellations. When in doubt, just like ChatGPT it.
Oh my god! Wow!
Do we count this as a tessellation as well? Because do we need the picture because it's being renovated right now?
Wait,
we
can you
can't really
show?
see it. See?
No, I mean, yeah, I think you do count as a tessellation, but you ignore
Okay.
any color discrepancies because
Yeah.
usually
okay.
over time the renovations kind of tarnish the color.
Okay.
We'll tell Iwan that.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that a CMM tessellation? Yeah, I think so. The little squares mean that you can make light reflections from them. That's cool.
No, because I asked my mom, I was like, Mama, what's this room called? And she's like, I'll tell you later, later. So I read the placata on the side, and I was like, circumcision. Wow, this is a really nice circumcision room. And I said it like out loud. You know, even though this has been renovated so many times over, I have to say it is genuinely, it is really impressive that they've still been able to maintain the original color after so long. I don't know when I'm being recorded. I don't know when I'm not being recorded. And I do appreciate how the Alhambra is filled with like scene. That's okay. I'm just practicing. That way, when I do end up talking, it seems natural.
So we have the classifications right here, and I sent them about 15 for now. They're working on them because I don't want to overwork them and I don't want to give them like a lot of pressure. So head of communication right here.
Sometimes it's the little things in life. Mr. Botea refuses to show his face in camera.
Ja? Er filmt hoch. Okay, wir sind nicht mal im Bild. Er filmt hoch.
And now for the most important part of this entire video, the lines. Sublime.
Es sind nur noch 3, die sind jetzt ausgestellt und das sind alles Replikas, aber die sehen identisch aus. Und dafür muss man eigentlich eine Schweigeminute oder eine Runde Applaus machen, weil das erstmal so hinzubekommen, ist schon, ja, das ist alles mit. If you give me like 20 minutes massage, no, I mean not you, like, I mean you, like the Arabic extra massage, I will jump inside this pool.
Here with our head of communications, Iwan. Iwan, what are you doing right now?
I'm communicating with everybody that's currently in Frankfurt to classify. Oh.
And this is Iwin, our head communication officer. So, Iwin, what are you going to do in this trip?
So I will be connecting all of the people that are in Frankfurt online, and at the same time I will be transferring the photos we have of all the tessellations, and they will be classifying them, and I will be organizing all the information to make sure we have every single one.
She'll be connecting our team here with the team back home.
And now, for the most exciting part of the video. How exactly do we classify all 17 of these tessellations? Before we get into it, a few quick definitions. To start off with, we have to find the largest rotation order. What is the rotation order, you may ask? It depends on how far we can rotate a certain pattern around a center point without disrupting the overall symmetry of the group. Take a look at triangles, squares, and hexagons. Reflections are whether we can flip the pattern across a certain mirror line. Translations check if we can slide the entire pattern in a specific direction while preserving the tessellation. And finally, a glide reflection reflects across a line while translating. There are 4 types of orders. Either there is no order, in which case the only way you can rotate a tile completely is 360 degrees. 6th order is 60 degrees. 4th order is 90 degrees. 3rd order is 120 degrees, and 2nd is naturally 180 degrees. To fully understand this, we can take a look at this tree. As you can see, each of the notations have their own meanings.